Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll discuss how exactly this what is this weather widget works. For example, if you have added weather widget just like me on your home screen and thinking that how do this weather widget works on your mobile, this is with the background process where these widget will access the information from the respective server. They'll have the server, they'll fetch the data and they'll show you here. So it will refreshes according to the program time. For example, this widget may access means retrieve the information from the server every hour or every 5 hours or every 24 hours, something like that. It depends upon this widget. Usually when you tap on this that weather information, it will load up the full details about the weather updates. For this to be give you accurate results, you need to enable this location. Based upon the GPS, it will provide you the somewhat exact information according to the weather. And see here, right? Yeah, and if you see here, when I tap on this, if I click on the settings, see, there is a weather app on my phone which is related to this clock, and there will be a service associated to this also. If you click on your phone settings, then click on the apps here, then if you click on app management, then if you click on these three dots and click on show system, there will be something like a weather service or the weather program which will run in the background. And just search, see here, this is the weather and the weather services. Through this app or through this service, actually it fetches data and will display over here. Coming to the battery usage of this weather widgets, basing upon the refresh rate, means how often this widget refreshes automatically according to the set program. It uses battery, but this will be a minimal because there is not much graphics or something like that, and that too, this is not refreshing frequently, so battery usage also it will be minimal. So in this way, this weather widget